Gonna make a fish curry today. This is off the hook. It's really, really, really tasty. Doesn't take long at all. I love it, I love it, I love it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're gonna get started by making some seasoned flour. I've got in there 4 tablespoons of plain white wheat flour, all-purpose flour. And then I've got 2 teaspoons of black pepper, turmeric, salt, and chili powder. I'm gonna give that a mix. And then we've got ourselves some seasoned flour. And then we're gonna drop our fish into that. So the flour's mixed, nice and seasoned. Here's our fish. Now this is like a dory fish or like a white frozen fillet fish. I've cut that into kind of fairly big pieces. Now, I got this frozen. What I've done is I just dropped it into some cold water and let it sit and then drained it off. So there's 3 fillets there in total. So that was full. So that's about 3 or 4 cups of the fish. I'm gonna go in with my hands and we're gonna just dust all of this fish with the lovely seasoned flour. Back in a moment. So I've got a wok here, or you're gonna need a skillet or something like that. I've got 2-3 centimeters of oil in there. I'm using a corn oil, but you could use sunflower or canola, something like that. Heating that up. There's our dusted fish. The way I'm gonna do is just give it a little shake. And then we're gonna drop our fish in. Little shake, just get any excess flour off of that. In it goes. And we're gonna fry this fish for about 5 minutes. It will cook quite quickly because it's a nice delicate fish, and I'm probably gonna have to do this in 2 batches for the amount that I have. Don't overcrowd your pan. See in a moment. Okay, that's like 5 minutes. And you can see our fish looks beautiful. That's gonna come out and go onto some kitchen paper. I've got another batch to do, so I'm gonna do that, then we can move on. So the fish is done. We've got 1 cup of onions there, just under 1 cup of cilantro or coriander. Here I've got 3 cups of tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato, cut quite small. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the 2. Fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And then here, 2 teaspoons each, garam masala powder, turmeric, cumin, chili, coriander powders. Let's get to the cooker, let's get this going. So I'm back in the same pan, I've cleaned that. I've now got 3 tablespoons of oil. Again, you can use any oil you want. In goes the cumin seeds. And just for a few seconds, let them do their thing. They'll infuse that oil. We're on an above medium heat, by the way, fairly high. 1 cup of onion, in that goes. 3 minutes, keep it moving. This is already well on its way. Fabulous. Let's get some salt in there. Let's get some fresh chilies in there. Let's get a tablespoon of the garlic ginger paste in there. Now let's add our fresh tomato. Let's take a look at our powders once again. 2 teaspoons each. Turmeric, cumin, chili, coriander, garam masala powder. In it all goes. Stay on this high heat. We're going to work this for maybe 5 minutes or so. Now, if you've used a nice juicy tomato like me, we're going to get some moisture from it. If not, you're going to have to add a little bit of water maybe. High heat, keep it moving. Fantastic. Now you can see that I've got loads of moisture from my tomatoes. That's because they were really ripe. If you haven't got that, put some water in and get it to roughly this consistency. We're going to turn the heat down a bit. It's on quite a high heat. And then we've got our fish, we're going to get it all back in. So below medium heat now. We're going to go just for 5 more minutes. Let that fish soak up some of that beautiful masala. My God, this looks good. Off goes the heat. Check that for salt. Cilantro or coriander. I'm getting a bit fed up of saying the two of them. We just call it coriander, but I know Americans call it cilantro. Beautiful. One more mix, job done. Amazing fish curry, really amazing. And there you go, really simple, really, really tasty that is. You can have that with some bread, like, you know, roti, chapati, paratha, or with some rice. Hope you enjoy that. Take care, keep safe, keep well. Do all the thumbs up, social media stuff, leave us a comment and all that, will you? I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.